Welcome to Facts TV News, where everything is true. Horace Strachan at ease. Minister of National Security Horace Strachan was caught in repose during yesterday's sitting of the House of Representatives. Among the discussions in Garden House yesterday was the announcement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness of an easing of restrictions associated with curbing the spread of the novel coronavirus. Curfew to start at 11 p.m. as of July 1. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced the further relaxation of COVID-19 measures in two phases as of Thursday, June 24 and effective July 1, in keeping with the sharp decline in cases of the coronavirus on the island. Holness, who was speaking in the House of Representatives on Tuesday, said effective July 1, the curfew will begin 2 hours later at 11 p.m. nightly and will end at 5 o'clock the following morning from Monday to Saturday. The curfew will begin at 6 p.m. on Sundays instead of 2 p.m. as now obtains and will end at 5 o'clock the next morning. Meanwhile, the orders for places of worship, cinemas and theaters will be modified as of Thursday, June 24. Whereas the current order under the Disaster Risk Management Act allows for a maximum of 50 worshippers, the amendment will see churches now being able to accommodate up to 70% of their congregation in a single worship service, depending on the size of the worship hall. That capacity is calculated based on one person for every 40 square feet of a designated worship area. All existing protocols, such as wearing masks, temperature checks, and sanitization, will continue. As of June 24, indoor theaters and cinemas will be allowed to open with the same size-based capacity limitations, one person for every 40 square feet or up to 70% of seating capacity, whichever is lower. And up to 30 persons will now be allowed to attend a funeral service. A similar number will be allowed at the burial. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell for daily updates.